Hey everyone, this is Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. I want to show you today how I remove all kinds of nail strips very gently, quickly, easily, and without damaging the nails. This method will work for any gel strip, or at least in my experience, any gel strip. I've used this on Dashing Diva Glaze strips, Dashing Diva Gloss strips, the fake press-on nails, Ohora nails, and now these are the Nailog brand. So they're quite grown out, as you can see. I've had these on for 2 weeks. I have an application tutorial video for these using a different design that you can check out, and I have a whole actually nail playlist here on my channel. To gently remove your nail strips, you don't need very many special tools or anything like that. You can, one way would be to soak an orange stick like this one in nail polish remover and then very gently push it in between your nail strip and the nail. I don't like messing with polish remover just because it can ruin some furniture. This table isn't very fancy, but still, that's not my preferred method, but you can certainly do that. My preferred method is using some kind of oil. You can use a regular cooking oil, coconut oil, or olive oil, or a really emollient, like nourishing hand cream even. I like using this. This is the Gelish brand. It came in my kit with my gel. So we're going to just put on some right on the cuticles and kind of around the strip. And mine are very grown out, so it's pretty easy to do. And then option one, take an orange stick and again just slide it around and kind of work the oil in there. The reason we want to form a nice tight seal right around the edges here when we apply is exactly to prevent things like oils and lotions from getting in there. But now that we want to break the adhesion and remove the wrap or the strip, now is the time to get some oil in there. If you feel resistance or really difficult, you're having difficult time removing these, just add more oil and just be gentle because you don't want to ruin your actual natural nail under there. So this strip, it looks like, is separating a little bit into its layers. There we go. It's off. And I have pretty dry nails in general, and they weren't perfect when I applied these strips in the first place, but this is looking pretty good. I don't see a ton of damage or anything. So that's one way. Another way, even easier, is still using oil or lotion or something like that. Put that on, and then take a floss pick like this one. And floss picks are a lot easier than dental floss when you're working by yourself and you only have one free hand. And then just gently, let's see, these ones are really on. They are holding their seal so well. So let's break the seal first. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay, now take your floss pick and gently slide it between the nail. Oh, there it goes, flew. And the sticker. And it came off again. Another way, and I do that sometimes, if you've had your stickers on for a while, so I wouldn't do this last method with really fresh stickers, because if you only had them on for a couple of days and you wanted to remove them, the adhesive is going to be still really strong, but the longer you have them on, the easier they are to remove, really, because the adhesive wears down and weakens. And so sometimes what I'll do, if I'm being particularly lazy, I will slowly just break that seal with my nail while I'm taking a nice warm bath or shower. And then without pulling or tugging very much, I would just go around and kind of push at the little nail sticker while my hands are submerged in water and it comes off. No matter what though, I wouldn't just pick and peel off the stickers. That's when you can have the top layer of your nail be removed with them as well, and that's when you'll have some peeling of the nails, potentially cracking, breaking of the nails. these are really meant to last on your hands, and so they're not super easy to just pull off, so I really recommend not doing that. If you have a favorite method of removing nail strips that I didn't cover, please let me know. I'm always looking for some new way, but this floss pick plus oil is the gentlest I found, and I really haven't seen much damage. You still might get a little bit of dryness. My nails right now are covered in oil, so it's harder to see, but you might still get little dry areas, and that's why I like to go at least a day or two without anything on my nails when I'm switching out my sticker sets. I've done nail stickers for, I think, I don't know, maybe at least 6 years now, probably closer to 7. So I tried all kinds of different brands, and this removal method works, but I do like to let my nails kind of go bare between the sets. And nails don't breathe, so it's not for breathing purposes. It's to make sure that when I'm applying hand creams and oils and lotions, that they can rehydrate some of that nail surface as well, and it's not just always hidden by some kind of sticker. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, please. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my private Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics. There are over 55,000 of us now, so if you have any Korean beauty questions, that's a great place to ask. See you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin and be nice to your nails. Thank you. Bye.